little guys don't come by our house often, but when they do, we try to get a few pictures. Based on my observations, tufted titmice are curious little birds who like to perch on stuff more than they like being on the ground. They make a bunch of different sounds. This is one of their many calls. They eat bugs in the summer and hide seeds for the winter. This one's looking for something yummy in the tree bark. This one found something large and tasty. Tufted titmice nest in old woodpecker holes or in tree cavities, like this one we found in Florida. Except those are chickadee hatchlings, not titmice, but they're still cute. Tufted titmice are also amazing acrobats. Look at that sharp turn! He's hanging on sideways! Now he's busting some moves. So rad! Now let's watch them in their natural habitat.
Those songs video. I wonder if they're gonna get feisty. They don't care. Oh, he went in. Aww, they're standing next to each other, so cute. Still there.
Two of them.
I'm getting them both. They're so sweet.
Now this is very interesting. And now it's time for... The Tufted Titmouse is worth 2 points and lets you play a second bird in the forest by playing its normal food and egg cost. It's best to play this bird if you need to fill up your forest fast, or if it helps you score on bonus cards. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and like this video, or like all of our videos. See you next time!